Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a BOXYCHARM video. So I have two boxes. I didn't film last month, obviously. I took a little break just because there was a lot going on in my life. So I just took a break just because it was chaotic. So I have last month and then I have this month. So I don't know if y'all guys remember from my last BOXYCHARM, I received a palette and it was shattered. So I contacted customer service, and it honestly, guys, their customer service is amazing because I emailed them, and within 30 minutes they emailed back and everything was good. They replaced it, and so they sent me the replacement of the eyeshadow. Unfortunately, I didn't get the same one that I got, but they ended up sending me this Ace Beauty one, and then they actually put it in a bubble wrap. That's why I was kind of confused the last time, because it wasn't in a bubble wrap, and usually my eyeshadow palettes are, so I don't know what happened with that. So they sent me the Vintage Dawn palette, and it has 12 colors. This one's really pretty. The packaging is stunning as well. It comes with a big mirror here. So that's that, and they're really pretty. Obviously this reminds me of fall time, and I'm just like so excited for that. We're gonna jump into this one. This one is the Oasis box. So the Oasis BOXYCHARM box. And yeah, so the first thing that I see in here is Kylie Jenner's foaming face wash. I already own it. This is the one that I do own, and if you can tell, this is what it looks like eventually as it like starts sitting on the counter or wherever you put your face wash at. And so this is the one that it comes in, and this is the color that it's originally. See how it's clear? And then this one is, I don't know, I was reading online that that's because of the vitamin C that's in it. I don't know how true that is. And you know why it turns that color, let me know. But I like the face wash. It's very soft. It doesn't strip my skin to where it feels oily. If I forget to put moisturizer on after using this, my face doesn't feel like I said, stripped. So I like that. And her face wash, the price is $24. The only thing that kind of concerns me is that it kind of changes color, but like I said, I read online that it's the vitamin C that changes the color. The next thing is, which I'm so excited, is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub, and this is First Aid Beauty. So this has been sitting in my like wish list type of thing on my Ulta Beauty app, and I've been like wanting to get it, but I never bit the bullet to. So when I saw this in the BOXYCHARM, because I did open this, I'm not gonna lie, I did open it because I thought I wasn't going to film, and I was like whatever, but I was like, you know what, I should. So yeah, so this one, I do have KP skin on my arms, and I used to have it on my legs, but after I had my baby, my skin like on my legs became really smooth, and then on my arms, I don't know, I guess my hormones went crazy, but the ones on my arms got really bad, like on here it got really bad, and my skin doesn't look as pretty as it used to, but it's whatever. You know, what can I do? So I'm gonna try this and see if this helps out a lot. That First Aid Beauty one is $18. Oh, why did I say bite the bullet if it's only $18? I guess I just never got around to it, so whatever. Okay, so this one is a lip line correction, QMS Medic Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. Why can't I open it? Oh. It's a twist up. Okay, well don't try to break it like I just did. So you just twist it up. It's really pretty. Let's see how much this one is. The QMS. This one is $200, and my box is worth $25. Okay. So this one's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line correction, targets fine lines and wrinkles. Lightweight serum. It's designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. This should be nice to try. Is this Pureless Perfect Glow BB Cream, SPF 30. That's what it looks like. It's in Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. So benefits: improves skin complexion, softens and evens skin tones, hydrates skins, reduces fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots. This is light medium. I think light medium would be too light for me, so I'll give it to my mom because my mom is definitely lighter in skin tone. And this one is $35. So this is a dewy one. And then this one is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. So I did get to choose this one because at every month on a certain day, I think it's the 16th of every month, you get to choose a product of your choice. And I didn't do my last month's product of choice, so I think I got whatever they just gave me. But I did get to choose this one because I remembered. And this is the Diamond Glow. I like Mac Daddy, so I was excited to get this as an item of choice. And this one is Illuminati. That's what it looks like. And the packaging is stunning, of course. Don't expect less from Mac Daddy. And it's like a really pretty gold highlighter. It's loose as well. And I have already tried this one and I really do like it. So, but if you don't like loose highlighters, this probably isn't something you would like compared to, like, obviously the ones that are compact. And that is everything in that box. Oh guys, if you're wondering what lip products I'm using the Miss Diva lip liner from MAC, and then the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick in Surprise Me. It's the Velvet Liquid one. Surprise Me. I was like, I haven't done like a fun color. I always do nudes, so I was like, you know what, let me do it. So there's that. That's the lip color if you're wondering. Alright, so this is this month's BOXYCHARM. And this one is BOXYCHARM Sunshine pamphlet. Alright, so the first thing that I see in here is a Color Switch dry makeup brush cleaner. You know, I've always wanted to get one of these, but I never wanted to like buy one. So when I got this, I was kind of like, oh, okay. You know, there's things that you don't want to buy, but it's like, whatever. Let's see. Let me find the dirty brush. I'm gonna find one with white bristles so you can see. Okay, there's this one. So it has brown in it, and since it's, you know, dry, so you just kind of swirl it in there. Ooh, okay. I mean, obviously, like, it's stained brown because, yeah, but there you go. That's what it looks like now. Let me do another one. Let's see. Let me do a colored one. There's this one. So this has yellow eyeshadow on it. Then, yeah. So it takes it off pretty well. And then to clean it, I believe you just like wash it like normal and then just let it dry on the side. But I think that's pretty cool. That one is, let's see. This one is the Color Switch. Color Switch. So I guess that was like a choice item because it's not in my price, but if I can find the price, I'll put it down here for that one. Alright, the next thing is this Elmar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. This one's really pretty. It has some pink, gold, and blue gold shimmer reflex in it. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And this is in the shade, like I said, Birthday Suit. This one cost $15 for the gloss. The next thing in here is, this is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster, and it's watermelon, green tea, pineapple. It's the Clean Skin Club. This is what it looks like packaging wise. I don't own an oil, like a vitamin C oil, and I should really, ooh, the packaging is like stunning. I like it because it's glass and then it like fades. Pretty. Let's see. Smell it. Interesting. That I was going to smell fruity. It smells more like, I don't know, but it doesn't smell fruity. And then this one is $49.59. And this is a 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. So it says a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extract comes together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And this one, apply 3 drops directly face and neck after cleansing. Oh, and you can use it morning and evening, so that's pretty cool. I like that. The next thing I see is this Studio Makeup Cream Eyeshadow. Just looks like that. So I already own cream eyeshadows, and I don't want to open it because once you open it, it's like you have to use it up or else it dries out real quick. This one is $25, and I do love cream eyeshadows because if you're lazy to like cut your crease and then put the glitter on top, this basically cuts down the time and you just put it directly on there and it looks great. I like to use stuff like this whenever I'm at work because, like I said, the glitter and all that gets really messy, but that is a dream on clients. And then, okay, so this is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise. Love the packaging. Their packaging is always so pretty. So these are the colors. This is great for traveling. If you honestly are just like a natural type of gal, this is probably like your one and all palette because you can bronze, obviously contour with it, use it for your shadows. You know, this would be like an all-in-one type of thing. But that's basically it for this BOXYCHARM. I didn't get to do that my choice because, like I said, I forgot all about it, and then when I realized it was like the 22nd, and obviously it's on the 16th, so there's that. But BOXYCHARM hasn't let me down so far. I pretty much love like 90% of the things that I get in the box. I think it's a good thing to try, especially if you're either getting into makeup or if you just don't buy makeup that much. It's $25, and I mean, one of these items, what was the other one, was like 200 bucks. So, you know, you kind of get your money's worth for sure. Like I said, the choice is a lot better because you get to actually pick an item out in the box and get what you want. But yeah, I'm not affiliated with them. It's just something that I paid for, and like I said before, I paid for the yearly subscription. So you can always skip. I know you can skip the months if you just do it month by month. It's $25, and then they also have different variety boxes that you can choose from. I know there's one that's a seasonal one, and I think that's like the highest one. And then there's the premium one, which you pay a little bit more, but you do get a lot more products in there. But $25 for me a month is great. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you do get BOXYCHARM. I want to see what y'all got in y'all's boxes, or if you have a YouTube channel and you post your videos on there, let me know. Leave it down and I will check you guys out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next BOXYCHARM video.